Welcome to this video, where we will guide you through the process of deleting your Dropbox account using the mobile app. If you no longer need your Dropbox account or want to close it for privacy reasons, this tutorial will help you complete the process smoothly and securely. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. Tap the account icon located at the bottom right. Then click on Icon Settings at top right. Next, scroll down until you find the option that says Delete Account. Tap on it. Then, if you already have a password set for your account, tap on I've set a password. Enter your password and tap Next. Now, choose a reason for deleting your account from the list of options provided. Finally, tap on Permanently Delete and confirm the action by tapping Delete again. Your Dropbox account will now be closed, and all data associated with it will be removed. In conclusion, deleting your Dropbox account from the mobile app is straightforward when you follow these clear instructions, ensuring your account is securely removed.